Welcome back to another video. I'm back at the creek where my not too bad of a one. Literally just threw it in this little hole right here in front of me. That was my first one of the day. I only been down here for like 5 minutes. But I'm going to go down here and walk around and try to get over there on that one. So I'll catch you when I get over there. Came off. About hooked myself in the back of the ear. There's some little shiners. There's something eating over here actually. Oh yeah, there's something eating. And I threw it all the way over there. Oh, I see him. He went for my... There's some bass over here eating up close. He came off. He came off. All right, let's see if he's still over there. It's gonna be another one of these days, huh? I got one? I got a little guy. Jeez, repeats. Just a little guy. Let's see if he has any others over there. Oh, here we go. Got another little guy. Not too bad. Another small little guy. All right, guys. I think it's a sunfish. Maybe a warmouth. No, this is a warmouth, but just threw it in right here, right in front of me. What just happened? Oh, your reel was closed. Oh, he missed it. Oh, he missed it too. Oh, he missed it too. Come on, man. There he is. Oh, here you go. Nice little sunfish. There we go. Not too bad of a little guy. Let's see if we can pull any more out of this little hole right here. Oh, he missed it. There he is. Another little guy. All right, see ya. See how many more we can catch out of here. Do I have one on? Yep. Jeez, oh Pete. Oh my God. How you even get this in your mouth, little guy? This lure's literally half the size of you. Almost, but. Alright guys, I just threw right in front of these rocks right here. Came out with this little nice looking sunfish. Not too big, but he got some good colors on him. Not too bad. That's right in front of me somewhere, hopefully. Nope, didn't bite it. Oh, here we go. Here's a good sized one. Not too bad. Just a little small guy, not too bad though. Alright guys, just threw it up there. Right up there by that little bank. Caught this little guy. Not too bad. Alright guys, I'm back. I just caught a little bluegill. I don't know why I keep calling it bluegill. It's a damn sunfish. But I caught one. There you go, buddy. Oh, this little hole right here. Not even a hole, just. There's another one. This one's nice and colors, nice and bright, nice and vibrant. Hooked on the side of his mouth though. Not too bad. Alright. Here we go. Oh, here we go, guys. Oh, you guys just see that? Oh my! Oh, guys, this is a good one for real. Ooh! Come on! He's a fatty. He's fighting too. No, come here, man. Ooh, guys, look at this one. Oh, man. Here's another good one. That's what we've been after all day. Here we go, guys. Look at this guy. Nice, pretty big fat one for real. Pretty fat. Pretty big. He fought pretty hard, but alright guys, I'm gonna get a underwater release on him for you guys. So I just caught probably the skinniest fish I've literally ever caught, and it don't look like, I don't even know what this is, so if you know what it is, leave it in the comments. I mean, for how small it is, it has some big old spikes, but I literally have no idea what it is, and it like changes colors in different lights. Literally pulling my hook up out of the water, and I guess he came with it. Didn't even see him. Didn't even know where he was, but hey, it's another fish.